Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can delete your pet on Widgetable. So it's not hard. The first thing that we need to do is head over to our Widgetable app, of course. Alright. Now that we are here on our Widgetable app, we head over to our pets corner and we'll see all of the pets that we have, such as Teddy, Bunny, and Harley. And a clear delete button does not exist on Widgetable, but there's something else close to deleting and more similar to deactivating an account on Snapchat. But in this case, you're not deactivating your account on Widgetable, but rather your pet. And what you need to do is click on the top right corner of three dots on your pet, and you'll see inactivate. And as you can see, when a pet is dormant, you can't interact with it, but can wake it up at any time. So it's it's kind of archiving in a way. And that is how you can quote-unquote delete a pet on Widgetable. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.